Hello everyone, this is Farhan from FarhanReviews.com, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing a graphics tool that I use quite a lot called PlaceIt. Now what I do with PlaceIt is I use it mostly for the logos. If you follow me, you know that I create a lot of WordPress websites, and now I've been making a lot of Google News websites, and you really need a logo to make your websites look authentic and make them look legit. Now recently I think I've published almost, I don't know how many actually, quite a few Google News sites. So I've been creating unique logos for each site, and what I like with PlaceIt is so easy to do, and there's so many different templates that I can make a completely different range of logos for each website, even if they're in the same niche. So let me show you that I actually do use this quite a lot. I'll probably blur my actual downloads. So I blow all this middle bit, but all of these are just different logos for all my multiple websites. And I've got loads of pages at the bottom here, so I do use it every week to create images and graphic content for my websites and so on. Okay, so let me show you around PlaceIt and why I like it. So what you can do, you see these all these templates along the bottom, and all, every different category here. You can actually edit it from within the tool itself. And once you're happy, you can download the finished version. So let me show you, for example, I do a lot of logos. So let's say I'm doing a clothing logo. Because these are all the templates, so I can enter a brand name. So best jeans. Click on apply. Now all of these will change the name to Best Jeans. Just give it a second. It's taking extra long today. Okay, here we go. I think my internet's a bit slow today because kids are downloading. So you can see all these logos now. So we've got here, this is a nice one for jeans. Best jeans. So when you download it, you get it with the color background. Also, you get a transparent background, so you get both options. There's another nice one here with contrasting colors. You get icons, shapes, images, all sorts of stuff. Let me just click on the first one here. You can also add it to your favorites for later on. So that doesn't mean that you have to keep the text that's on there. You can change the text, you can add more text, add a another tagline. You can change the primary colors or upload a logo, so you can change the banner to, let's say, right, darker blue. You can change the background, you can add another graphic, another icon maybe. And then once you click download, it goes off in the background and it starts preparing the images. It says they'll email you, but it's normally really quick. So let's see how long it takes. It gives you two, so I'll show you both. Download and download. Okay, this is the first one. This is the second one. So you see it's got a transparent background. And it's just got the blue inner section, and it's got the text on the front. This is the other one. And the reason why I use this mostly for my Google News sites is that when you're doing Google News, it allows for two logos, one for a dark background, one for light background. So this is handy, so I can just quickly create a logo and upload it straight to Google News. Okay, let me see what other features. Excuse me. So I actually started considering doing some drop shipping items. So it's got a whole mock-up section here. So for example, if I was doing mugs, you can just click on this one here. And you can upload your image, give you the actual dimensions here, or you can add text or do whatever you want. And it will actually, so this whole image will download, so it's like it's a person holding the mug, and it looks really good on an e-commerce store. Let me see. Face mask, that's a new one. So you have the same mask, but you can have multiple, you can have different angles, and once you upload your logo, it will wrap around. And it'll look really good. Here's a lady using a face mask with a mic, and all these funny ones there. There's plenty of mock-ups here. You can actually filter it by gender, by age. Just adults only. You can even choose the ethnicity. Tags. So you can really narrow it down. Okay, and then the digital mockups are really good. Let me show you digital. Okay, products only, so without a model, I guess. Yep, products only, so there's no people in the background. This is great for t-shirts. So if you're doing dropshipping, you've got like using Printful or something to create your t-shirts and your apparel, you can use these templates on your e-commerce store, and yeah, give people a sense of like this one, showing the items in use, and that's what really sells. Let's look at digital, so iOS screenshots. Okay, heading, and it's got an iPhone and image. Got a slightly newer phone here. Got a mini one here. Got a big selection. Okay, it's not updated with the latest phones. Let's see. Oh, what's iPhone mockups? It's really still. I'm not sure if it's my internet or if it's site. Okay, this is good. So you've got an in-use. So if you're doing an app, so you're showing someone in use while using it, that's not safe. Driving on the phone. That's really good. So same thing. Let me quickly download an image and I'll show you a quick demo. Okay, I'm just going to Pixels. I'm going to download this iOS app image. Let me see what size they recommend. So for example, this one here. Oh, I didn't read it. It was 1125 by 2436. This probably won't do. We'll download it anymore. See how it handles it. Okay, so let me insert image. Oops. Okay, it wasn't the best image. Let me find another one. That was terrible. I can't make it full size. Crap. Probably not the best example, but you can see it works. So the image fits within the boundaries of the phone. You can resize, remove, replace. Let's see. App demos. Okay. So it'll be the same sort of thing. Okay, that's enough of that one. Okay, print. Business cards. It's been a while since I printed any business cards. Excuse me. Did I click it? Come on, get to it. Okay. So let's see, for example, I wonder if you upload one image here and it will. assume it will. You can replace all of the text with one image. Okay, no, because it's different dimensions. Yeah, you can't. Yeah, it will be distorted. But anyway, that would work. Okay. One more in mockups. Let me see. Print on demand, coffee mugs. Pretty much same as before. Promotional. Facebook ads. Excuse me. Okay, these look good. Okay, designs. Appropriately Black Friday designs. Blank canvas. Then beta. Let's see what options it gives. Are they competing with Canva? Okay, change sizes. Add graphics, add background, add text, logo. That's fine. Something like that you can do in Canva. Apparel and prints, the book covers. These are pretty cool. You change the author, the headings, background image, tagline on the bottom. There's a lot to change here. Music and podcasts, social media. It's all pretty much the same stuff, but you can see that everything's ready, resized and ready to go. Just quickly add your content. I've done logos. Videos, I don't think I've really used videos. I know they do intros and outros. I should probably use one of them. These vertical videos are good for TikTok and Instagram. Okay, the images are here. Audio track, background, frames. Okay, I've never really used this, so I'm not going to pretend that I've used this before. Gaming, animated logos. I think I've seen these before. I don't really do a lot of gaming, so just click on one quickly. Come on. I'm not sure if you can look at these for free without logging in. That's why I'm just going through a few of them for you. Okay, at the bottom here, add slides. Is it downloading? I can't tell. Okay, it's processing it still. But it's not bad, it pops up, looks nice. That's enough of that one. What do I see? Twitch screens. I don't do Twitch, so I'm not sure exactly what Twitch screens are. Okay, it's like you can use this for OBS. Okay, what's YouTube videos at? Wouldn't that be the same? Unless it's thumbnail templates. Okay. There's similar stuff. It's like end screen and stuff. Okay. Intro and outro. I'll do one intro and outro, then I'll. Oh, sorry, I clicked on the wrong one. It doesn't matter. Okay, gaming. There will be a stream overlays. This video is a lot longer than it should be. Okay, they look pretty cool. Yeah, I have messed with OBS, and I did download a template from somewhere. You put the video in the corner and the game here and all that. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, gaming merch, streaming, okay, YouTube banners. Let me see thumbnails first. I didn't realize they had YouTube thumbnails and banners here, and even end cards. I should use them more often. Nice. Nice thumbnails. Oh, some of them are free as well. That's good. These are better than the ones in Canva, actually. They really are. What else? YouTube. Banner. That's the last one. That's channel. I assume it's channel art. Okay, this is the last one. I know it's a long video. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Okay, yeah, just channel art. That looks nice. So that is my very long overview of PlaceIt. I've been a user for about a year now. In that time, I've created a lot of content. The pricing of PlaceIt. Okay, it's normally $14.95 per month, and that's unlimited, so you can download and use everything, even for commercial. And it says here if you're a t-shirt seller, so it's great for drop shipping. It's great for print-on-demand stuff. If you're a web developer, author, business owner, it's got mockups, designs, templates for everything. Blah blah blah. Creativity. 10,000 plus design templates. I use it mostly for logos. And that's that, yeah. So on Black Friday they will have an offer. I think it's 50% off the offer. But throughout the year it's $14.95, and if you do a lot of website creation or drop shipping stuff and so on, then it is really a good option for you to consider. This is what I use to create all my logos. Forget all the other ones. Forget even Canva logos are rubbish. This is what I use for all my logos. It's really good. Highly recommended. So hope you enjoyed this very long video, and I'll see you next one. Bye.